Assalamu alaikum, my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Samsung air conditioner remote control. This is the on off button of the air conditioner. With itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Most air conditioner users use the cooling mode of the air conditioner. For this reason, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when the word cool appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. This button is used to increase the temperature of the air conditioner, and this one is used to decrease it. In this mode, it is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want your air conditioner to consume less energy, that keeps the temperature between 24-25 degrees Celsius. This button is used to increase the fan speed of the air conditioner, and this button is used to decrease it. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, low, medium, and high. Low speed can be selected so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. You can use the swing button to move the blinds of the air conditioner up and down, or stop it in any position. Turbo mode is used to intensify the cooling of the air conditioner. When this button is pressed, the word turbo appears on the screen and the temperature indicator disappears from the screen. After operating in this mode for about 15 minutes, the air conditioner returns to the previous fan mode. We press the mode button and the word dry appears on the screen. This is a drying mode and used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and the word fan appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and the word heat appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to above 26 degrees Celsius. In this mode, it is useful to set the air conditioner fan speed to the auto fan speed mode. So in this case, the air conditioner fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor, and therefore the air conditioner will work more efficiently. At the same time, the evaporator will only be covered with snow when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. We press the mode button again and the word auto appears on the screen. This is the auto mode, and in this mode the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature at the set level. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius in this mode. In this case, when the temperature in the room is less than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and when it is more than this indicator, it will operate in cooling mode. We will return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button again. What we have described so far were the most commonly used modes of the air conditioner. Now we will explain the other modes of the air conditioner. The light button is used to turn on and off the light on the air conditioner. Timely cleaning of the filters allows the air conditioner to work properly. For this reason, in this air conditioner, we are reminded of the cleaning of the filter with a special light. After cleaning and replacing the filters, this light is turned off when the filter reset button is pressed and held for 3 seconds. The Smart Saver function is an energy-saving function that limits the temperature range, for example 24-30 degrees Celsius, to reduce energy consumption. When this button is pressed, we see this symbol on the screen. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. When the evaporator cleaning button is pressed, the fan is turned on after the air conditioner is turned off to prevent mold and rust, and it runs for a while to dry the evaporator. The good sleep button is prevent colds caused by the air conditioner while sleeping. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius in cooling mode and we press the good sleep button, and we set good sleep hours to 4 hours, and we press set button to confirm. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature to 23 degrees after 2 hours and to 24 degrees Celsius after 2 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the cancel button. When the MPI button is pressed, the microplasma ion function is activated. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. The air conditioner has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on is used to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time, and timer off is used to turn it off. For example, we turn off the air conditioner, and when we go to work, we plan to return home after 11 hours. We press the timer on button and use this button to set the timer on mode to 10 hours and press the set button to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn on after 10 hours and will cool our house until we return home. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Or if we want our air conditioner to turn off after 6 hours while it's running, we press the timer off button and set it to 6 hours and press the set button to confirm. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Thank you for following us until the end.